Hey guys, Dave here. Today we're doing one of the most addictive recipes I've ever encountered. It's a combination of white chocolate, dark chocolate, nuts, soft and chewy chocolate chip cookies. It is so yummy. You're gonna love it. So let me walk you through this. So the first thing we're gonna do is add a stick of butter or 113 grams into a bowl. And I should add, this should be at room temperature, so it's easy to work with. Followed by a cup of granulated sugar, and you can also use, brown sugar. We're going to go ahead and grab up our mixer and beat this until it's smooth and creamy. Okay, after that we're going to add in 2 eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is totally optional, but I just like it. Once again, mixing we will go. Now we're going to sift in a cup and a half of all-purpose flour, a half teaspoon of baking soda, just to give it that lift, then a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and sift this in and beat until everything is well combined. After that, we're going to add in a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. These are so yummy. Half a cup of white chocolate chips. This is totally optional, but I like these too. Half a cup of chopped peanuts. You can use pecans, walnuts, the nuts of your choice, but this is totally optional. I'm going to grab up my wooden spoon and fold everything together until it's well incorporated. Then what we're going to do is put this in the fridge for about 15 minutes, and this is going to help to firm up our cookie dough. After things have chilled out, what I've got here is a baking tray lined with a baking mat. You can also use parchment paper. Now what I have here is an ice cream scooper, so I'm going to scoop up 2 scoops. It's fairly small, but you can use 2 big tablespoons as well. Roll them into a ball. And simply put it on a baking tray. You want these about 2 inches apart, and you're going to get about 12 cookies out of this. And I'm going to slip these into a 325 degree Fahrenheit, about 160 Celsius oven for about 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes, I'm going to let these cool completely in the baking tray. And look at this, guys. Don't they look beautiful? They're just incredible. And there you have it, guys, our incredibly addictive chocolate chip cookies, great with a glass of milk. And believe me, they're melt in your mouth, soft and chewy. For the recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great baking recipes over there. You're going to love them. Thanks for subscribing, and see you next time.